Hi violins! Today we're going to talk about how to play a 2-octave A scale in arpeggio. For your A scale, you do not need to shift. It's all in first position, but you do have some funky finger patterns that we need to go over. So in the key of A major, we have 3 sharps. And if you remember, the pattern of sharps is always the same. F is first, C for second, and G for gird, or third. So we have F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. This means that on your G string, you're going to need to play a high third finger, an extended third finger for C sharp. On the D string, you're going to need to play a high third finger for G sharp. And then on the A and the E string, we're going to have our normal run-of-the-mill 2-3 touch finger pattern. But coming down, again, you'll have to remember high 3 on the D string and the G string. So I'm going to play some of those patterns. I'll have you play them back to me, and then we'll go through the scale together. Here we go. So I'm going to start with A, B, and C sharp. Your turn, go. A, B, C sharp, my turn again. Your turn, go. A, B, C sharp. Alright, now I'm going to hop over to the D string. I'm going to play D, E, F sharp, and G sharp. Here we go. Your turn, go. D, E, F sharp, G sharp. Listen again. Your turn, go. D, E, F sharp, G sharp. Alright, and then like I said on the A string, it's pretty simple. It's just your normal everyday 2-3 finger pattern. The tricky part about this scale is when we come down, we have to remember to go from open A to high third finger G sharp. We don't want to do that. We want to go A and then high third finger. We don't also want to go A and then put our third finger like where our tape would be and slide it up. So we don't want to hear. That slide tells me that your finger wasn't hovering in the right place before you landed on that note. So right now, I want you to do a quick broken record before we put the whole scale together, where you just play B, 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 A, G sharp. Listen, here's how it sounds on my violin. And then when you play that G sharp, look down at your finger, look at your tuner, look at any other tool that you're using to help you with your intonation right now, and make sure that your third finger landed on a G sharp, or if it landed too low, see if you can stretch it a little bit farther next time. We're going to do that broken record again. Here we go. Go. B, A, G sharp again. Go. B, A, G sharp. And then the same thing on the D string. We're going to play E, D, C sharp. Listen again. E, D, C sharp. Your turn. E, D, stretch to C sharp. Go. E, D, C sharp. One more time. Go. E, D, C sharp. Alright. I'm going to put the whole scale together. I'm going to play each note 2 times. You can play along with me, or if you would rather just finger along and shadow bow, and then you can keep an eye on your finger patterns, or you could pluck along and see if it sounds like your note is matching my note as I bow. But I'm going to play each note 2 times. Here we go. For the arpeggio, we need the notes A, C sharp, and E. The tricky part about this, again, is stretching that third finger for the C sharp on the G string, but the rest of the arpeggio is not so tricky. So play your turn. A, C sharp, E. Make sure you stretch to that third finger high enough. Listen again. Your turn. A, C sharp, E. All right, let's try the whole arpeggio together. A's, C sharps, and E's. Ready, go. The arpeggio. If you have questions, leave them in the comments, put them on Google Classroom, send me an email, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.